What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of tricky solution. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use dual app or two messenger app or any dual app in your OnePlus device. And this is very easy, and let's see, check. Here we can see the only one messenger app in my OnePlus device, and I want to turn on another one. Let's go to setting, and you have to scroll down, and here you can see the utilities. Tap on utilities, then tap on parallel apps. And here, if you want to turn on dual apps for your messenger, just turn on this one. Parallel messenger has been created. If you want to turn on this one for your Telegram, just turn on this one. Let's check whether it's on or not. Where you can see there's two messenger apps in my OnePlus device. Tap on another one, the new one. And here you have to put your email or phone, then password, then you can enter your another messenger. And this is the way how you can create dual app in your OnePlus device. And this is the way, and I hope you guys got the solution and enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.